got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. You pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
Dear light.
I got chills, then multiplying.
So hello everyone, it's Saudi and I'm back for another video, and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. Are you okay? How is life? It's a Sunday, you know how it is. So I have this title, and I know that for a new beginner in the investment stock market, especially on this site, I know how hard it was for me to navigate through Webull, the investment app. And yeah, this video is not sponsored, but I've been using it for almost I think soon it to be a year. So I was like, oh, you know what, I've learned all this stuff. I knew how hard it was for me when I was like, what's going on here? Because it was like going from Cash App investing to Webull. This is less complicated, but this is a whole nother level. And I was like, whoa, what is going on here? You know, they have referral systems on this side, and this side has minute, you know, referral system. And I was like, okay, let's get into this.
You never want a paycheck. You understand that, kid? I said, okay, I got it.
So I have shown you guys how to post photos on Webull investment app. Today I'll show you guys how to write comments and check the news and information about these individual companies, because when I'm doing my due diligence about any stock, I first watch some videos, then go on Google, then after that I go on the description of these companies, each of them. So let's get into it, because sometimes some people are like, oh, I want to buy this stock, so how do I do it? Because they are saying, you know, buying power, individual account number, and crypto buying power. You know, they're seeing graphs and all that. They're like, oh, okay, this is different from Cash App, or this is different from Robinhood. It's so different. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to write those comments and get more involved in the Webull app if you have just started using it, okay?
Period.
Let's go to screen record as usual, and let me know, are you guys finding it interesting that to be a retail investor, or are you one of the other type of investors? Let me know in the comments below. So I am going to Webull. So yes, okay, I had opened my Webull earlier, so just to, okay, good. So now you see they have total value, open PL, P&L means profit or loss, okay? Assets, orders. Assets is where you have all your stocks that you are invested in, or crypto. P&L means profit or loss. That's where you see the graph to see if there are gains. See that graph showing you gains or loss. So I have losses now, gains and stuff from crypto, of course. Then that was my dividend from last month, okay? Then see, I'm also earning through interest income, and then the fees is from one of the stock I have called Jumia Technologies. Okay, they said it's the African type of Amazon, so it's the African Amazon. Okay, so let's get into this. And when you get to this place, right, you're like, okay, I'll get my stock, you know, and mind my business. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to write comments. I will be using XLM, because XLM is one of my positions that is now in the green, which I'm grateful for. XLM USD is one of my stocks, so let's go there. So when you click on that, you saw what I did there. Now I will go to quotes, because they moved it, they changed the Webull interface a little bit and did some updates. So you go to quotes in order to write comments, okay? When you click on quotes, you now have at the top part of the screen, you see charts, news, comments, and profile. That is where we'll get our information from. So first, let's go to news. Okay, when you click on the chart, shows you the graph. So it's down trending right now, which is the best time to buy, or wait for a dip.
This ain't no allegedly.
Hashtag buy the dip. Go to news. The news will give you like new information about this stock you have. So it's in the crypto world. So it's now telling us that the El Salvador to use profits from the Bitcoin. They bought a lot of Bitcoin, so they will use that to fund veterinary hospital. That's what the president is saying. So now we have that new information, which can also help with the news and help the stock. Okay, this is where you get information to know if the stock will be downtrending or the crypto will be downtrending or uptrending. Okay, so if you see your stock going down, that means there may be a news that is not favorable or unfavorable. So this is where you get it from the news section. That's where you get it. Okay, now let's go to comments. Okay,
Load it up and do. Baby, what you wanna do?
oh, we have the DJ White House weighs executive order on cryptocurrencies. They're trying to restrict people from, you know, using cyber attack on crypto, people doing illegal businesses with crypto because it's decentralized. Okay, so they're trying to crack down on that. I'm not using crypto for that type of stuff. I'm trying to hold on to my stuff. So let's go to comments. Now comments is where sometimes as a new investor you may be like, oh my god, if it's dropping, you're like, oh my god, you may sell. This is where it gets tricky. You have to be careful with the comment section. Sometimes there's something called buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay, there are people that will come in here, they are shorters. They will come in and say, oh my god, it's crazy, oh my god, this stock is bullshit. Then you'll be scared because you've seen it drop, then you run away and sell at a loss. You just fucked yourself over because an hour or two or the next day that stock will start recovering back. That's why when you are a new investor, you don't know this. When you start losing, or they have a reverse split and stuff like that, when you know the game, once you hear there's a reverse split, some people sell, which is smart. Or some people wait until the reverse split is over, or some people wait until it dips, then they buy the dip. So when there is a reverse split, their money is safe. So you have to know those stuffs. But if I've gone through 4 or 5 reverse splits. Now if I find one, I'll sell before even. I don't want to deal with the drama any longer. Okay. Oh my god, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Okay.
What's so funny?
That's why it's good to invest in stable stocks, okay? Value stocks. This is where you get in, you see? You guys are scaring me. I like beer, breaks the tie, you see? And with those fears, some people start saying, oh my god, it's not working. Show them we mean business, can't stay at this forever, okay? Sheep family welcomes all new real members. Your hamsters with weak hands better get off and stuff. Okay, so now how do you've seen these comments. If you're a new investor, you're like, what the hell, how do they do that? Now you see underneath there is a place called post. All you have to do is share your ideas. It's in a translucent form. Click there and say, hi, so nice to be here. Okay, and that can be your first post. See, we just typed our first comment, especially when you're a new beginner on Webull. This is how you do it. I've shown you how to post videos. Now I'm showing you how to get into the world and be an interactor, adding to the platform with your comments and advice and stuff like that. In this way you can share how many shares you hold in a stock or how many coins you hold in a crypto position you have. This is how you do it.
Look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
Okay, I have 8,000 coins for now. See? And one thing I also noticed is that they don't have auto edit. Okay, so see, I've done that. That is how you do your comments and typing. Okay, this is how you post it, like a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. They also have it on Webull. Now, how do I get my information about the company itself? We've seen the news, we've seen how to type comments and see how we can check the ranking. Webull ranking shows that XLM right now is at 50%, number 15 in the popularity list. Now let's go to the profile. The profile is where it gives you the description of the asset you have purchased. It says Stellar is an open source and decentralized multi-currency payment protocol. Stellar transactions are processed in 6 seconds at a minimal cost to the sender, and Stellar facilitates cross-border transactions by acting as a bridge for fiat currencies. Okay, and fiat currencies can be transferred can be transferred and converted to other fiat currencies using the Stellar protocol. The protocol also supports smart contracts. So what it means by that transfer is that you can go from Ether, you can convert your Ether to Saitama or to Shiba or to Bitcoin, or or vice versa. That's what they meant by that, okay, when they said that. So that has given me an idea of what XLM is capable of, and we just found out that XLM now has a contract with MoneyGram, which means this asset is about to go appreciate in value.
Oh my god.
So I hope this helps you guys out. Now I've shown you guys how to check the news, how to write comments as a new beginner investor on Webull, and also how to check the profile and get an idea of what you're investing in, because some people just invest but they don't have any idea why they invested in the stock. Is like, oh, someone told me so I invested. No, sometimes you have to do little due diligence before getting into it, and then you can use Google and stuff, start broadening your horizon. Okay, this is how you do it. And if you also want to check this on Google, all you have to do is go to Google and on your type bar and say crypto coin market, okay, coin market cap, and here you can screen, you can search, because this is where they have all the coins and all their data. This is where you can check them on coinmarketcap.com. okay, now if I want to check for, let's see, XLM, let me see, XLM, see, Shiba is at 0, okay, 4 zeros, okay. Before it was at 5 zeros, so it has dropped a 0.
So I wanted to project myself forward to age 80 and say, okay, now I'm looking back on my life. I want to have minimized the number of regrets I have.
Coin, okay, found it, XLM. So you see there. So that is XLM. So it's now 0.3443. okay, so this is where you get this information on a large scale, and all these Binance and stuff, the sources, these are the different exchange places that this coin is being carried or sold, okay, or you can have transactions like buying and selling of this coin. So all this shows you there are different rates in the stock market. It's crazy because I never knew anything about the stock market. Like, I would see those graphs, I'm like, what the hell is that? But here I am showing this to you guys. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys out there. I love you all so much, and now I hope this helps you guys. I hope you got some value from this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Go enjoy yourselves, take care of yourselves. I love you all so much, and until next time, bye guys.
Ooh wee, look what that money make a bitch do.
Cause I'm loving myself real good. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. And we could chill now for good.